Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. Do you know that you can generate the code like you write in your framework for with the XPath or CSS selector, and you will not have to type that command again and again because you know that you can get the XPath and selectors and other stuff from SelectorsHub Pro. But do you know that you can generate the command as well, and you will not have to waste any more time? Let me show you how quickly you can finish this and you can complete your automation script really quick. So today when you inspect any element and open SelectorsHub Pro, so here you see that suppose if you have inspected this element, so you got these XPath selectors, playwright selectors, and everything you used to get it here. Okay, so you can click on copy icon, go back to your editor, and then you type whatever command you are using. Let's say if you are using this driver.find element. Yes, I know that very few people must be using this. Generally people use it for study purpose, but in real time you don't use that, but still I will show you this. So every time we will have to type this, or suppose if you are using this kind of command, like let's say add find cache, this one, then if you will have to like every time copy paste this command and then copy the XPath from here and then replace here. Let me just show you this. So this we have replaced, and now here this is for user ID or whatever field that will be, we generally give the name to that. So this takes a lot of time. Like every time you inspect an element, you copy that value, you go back, and then you have to paste this command, or you have to type that driver.find element command. So can we get this complete command directly from selectors? Yes, we can get that. Come here. Here you see that code button icon is there. Click on this, and now you see that by default it set this command driver.find element by.xpath, and you see that it got appended here. Now you simply copy this and come back here and paste it. Now you need not to type this again and again. You simply inspect any element. Of course we have this SelectorsHub Pro inspector, so we can use this. You simply inspect this and copy this value, go back to your editor and paste it. Come back, inspect any other element. Let's say we want to, for this one company, we just inspect this, copy, and come back and paste it. So this is how you can really quickly you can do it. If your command is like this, yes, don't worry, we have covered you. We have this feature of like page object model. You click here and you see that all the by default command is there. By default commands are there, like this one. If you are using locators page, select this, hit enter and copy this, come back to your editor and paste this one. And you need not to worry that what variable it will assign. It will assign the exact variable name what you're looking for. Like this XPath is for company, so enter your company, so it has taken this name. If you want to add it, of course you can do that. And here you see that, like let's say you just keep on inspecting here, because now that we have SelectorsHub inspector, so we need not to select again and again. You just click here and it will generate that. So like this is for user ID, you simply copy this and paste it here. So this is going to be like really quick, really easy. Suppose you are using Cypress, we have got for you as well. cy.get, select this one, hit enter, there you go. c.get, cy.xpath, cy.get. So this you can simply copy and paste it if you're using Cypress. cssSelector, of course you get that one as well, so that you can choose whichever you want. If you are using Selenium with Python, we have got for this you driver.find underscore element, this one, so you can get this command as well. If you are using, let's say, playwright, we have this one, await page.locator, and then this find by XPath, this also is there. Now suppose your command is not there. Let's say for an example I have this one and lots of there, but now your command is not there in this in that case you can add it and edit this command. And is there any very famous command? Please let me know in the comment section. I will add that, and by default you will be getting it here, so that I will add that in list. If there is any common command which everybody is using, do let me know in the comment section. I will add that here. Apart from that, you can edit this command. Like suppose your command is something like random, very random. Let me just delete everything. like this, dot hello hello, and like this, and here somewhere my XPath is written like input or whatever it is. Okay, like this my XPath is. So what I need to do, wherever I have written in my command, wherever the XPath is written, replace that with XPath value keyword and hit enter. You see that it has appended that. So basically in your command you have to replace the XPath with XPath value keyword or cssSelector with XPath value keyword, and then just hit enter. It will generate your selectors with the command. Here if you hover on this, it will show you the one example. Like if you have, so for an example, your command is something like find by XPath is equal to XPath value, or if XPath is something else, then you can just simply replace this one. You just have to replace XPath with XPath value keyword, and that's how you can set your command. But mostly, like most of the commands are covered already here. If you have anything generic, do let me know in the comment section. I will add that here. Otherwise you can edit your command. So this is how you can generate the code from SelectorsHub very easily, and you can get your command as per your framework, as per your requirement. So this is going to really help you guys a lot. You will not have to type that command again and again. I hope you like this feature, and this will really help you guys a lot. At any point of time, if there will be any upgrade or any feature, new feature thing in this, new feature will be added on this, you will get this tutorial here. So please do watch this one. And there is a lot more that you can generate the complete code for multiple elements and all. I will show that here while I will be in another tutorial. I will show you that how you can generate the locator page with using this code feature. Yeah, so that's how you can generate this find by locator. You can use this code method, and in fact, like, let me show you here quickly. So suppose you are you want to generate the locator page. So here we will set this command find by, and as we have the selector sub inspector now, so you just already selected, we will start inspecting these element, and you will see the magic here in SelectorsHub Pro. All the selectors are getting generated quickly and all are recorded here. You just simply click on copy button, go back to your editor and paste that, and you will see that the complete locator page is ready for you. So this is how you can generate all the locators in one go for all the elements which you want to inspect, which you are inspecting. So this is how you can generate the locators page very quickly. And then of course, like as you want to arrange or orchestrate, like you want to organize them in your code, you can do that. So this is how you can use the SelectorsHub code feature, code generation feature, or locator generation. Locator page generation feature. I hope you like this feature, and this will really save a lot of time for you guys. And here, of course, you can change the command whenever you want. So you see that you can change the command, and all those possible selectors will be showing it here. So great, it is. This is really helpful, and it will definitely save a lot of time for you guys. You can also, like, of course, there are a lot of feature that you can download it. You can watch the tutorial here, and all those stuff you can do. So yeah, and if you doesn't want with command, of course you can turn off this command, and then it will be generating, it will be showing all the locators only. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can use this feature. I'm sure you will love it, and this will help you guys a lot. Thank you so much.